Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Sorry I'm a little late today. I actually overslept. These are probably gonna get this video a little bit later, closer to around 5 o'clock in the morning. But just to get straight into the video, today I am a little bit more bearish and have been short since yesterday. I actually took an L on some longs that I had, I think a little bit like yesterday before midnight, because things are not going up anymore. So I started taking shorts. And the reason being is because on the daily and the 8 hour, so on the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour, you actually closed bearish back here. So you technically, I should have been short since 389, right? So I would have been in profit about like $2 right now, but I didn't start short until like 388. But I did catch this long push down to the low side. We closed the 8 hour bearish back here at 388, waked up, and then came right back down, right? And then again, for the 16 hour, we're actually going to close that in about an hour as a perfect entry on the sell side. So the last time we did that was actually around this level here, and we've actually sold off, when we close the 16s, you sold off from 404 down to like 394, so about $10. And again, 410, 409, down to around 390, so about $20 sell-off. So as of right now, I am looking for a retest of 381, possibly in like maybe a couple days. But again, CPI comes in on Thursday, so as of right now, it does look like we're gonna sell off down to possibly this level of like, I go like 380, right? TA says we're probably going back to 380 by CPI. I personally think if CPI comes in extremely low, you can definitely see another push to like 415, right? Because last time we pushed that hard, we were on the 394 level, and we're not too far off, right? So we do push, or if we do come in with the lower CPI, I do think we're gonna run super hard back up to like 406, possibly 415 this week, right? But as of right now, TA says bearish. I'm shorting back down to 381. I am not going to be playing CPI because I have no idea what's going to happen. I personally think it's going to come in lower, but again, it's been a surprise before. But yeah, for right now, perfect entry on the 16 hour. You do have stochastic on the highs. I do think right now it does look like everything's going to come right back down, and we're running towards that 381 level. Why is this not go? Oh, there we go. Took a little bit. Took a while. And again, the dollar. But again, this could be, you are retesting that bottom side of the range on the dollar. So two things that can happen here, right? This is actually funky. So this is actually, so the weird part is that you can actually come like this and then go like that, right? Or you can run from here to trend and then come back down, right? Overall, I still think I'm a little bit more bearish on the DXY, which means I should be bullish on the market. But, on the 4 hour, you are retesting that top of trend. What about where's the 1 hour? 1 hour is bullish. 8 hour is gonna barely turn. But yeah, I'd probably have to go with that. I'm definitely thinking we're gonna drop a little bit lower, and this actually closes in 3 hours. So yeah, I still think it's a good time to short. So I do think SPY is gonna go back to like 381. It does look like it's gonna go back to that range, possibly sometime this week. But again, that can all change on CPI. So again, still same range. You are still looking for a range of, I think today range is going to be 381 to like 387. Because for right now, it does look like we're going to drop all the way down, even on the hour, right? You came back down on the range, you retest the top of range, and it does look like we're going to drop straight down from here. So yeah, everything pretty bearish on everything today. I think bottom of range today is going to be 381. I have been short. I think I'm already a couple $100 in profit. I think somebody requested Netflix. Or did I already do Netflix? I don't remember if I already did Netflix. I forgot who requested. But yeah, basically, if I think that SPY and the NASDAQ are going to be going down, SPY and NASDAQ are coming down, I think everything else is coming down. I forgot what I got the requests for. I forgot what I got these requests for. That's a thing. So let me cut down the volume. I don't want to, let me see. Oh, we will squeeze 14. So pause this. I think there was NVDA. Just any comment for Algo. Thanks, man. Patreon, Amazon, Tony. Can I get in touch with you? So TA on the video. We'll do that. Yeah, I knew I was gonna do something. I forgot what kind of TA. I forgot what kind of TA people were looking for. So, look, it looks like it hit right from here. I guess I was forecasting this back on what is this, December 27th, and I guess we rallied up to 159. Quite not quite my target of 169, but close enough. I'm okay with that. At least direction was right for the last, December 27th till for the last like what 2 weeks. So that's pretty good. As of right in the video right now, it does look like it's going again. You didn't actually break that resistance, right? So again, it would have been easier if it just went up right here, but then that would have meant that it would have broken major resistance, major trend, and then pushed to the upside. But if SPY is not breaking it, that I really, I don't think NVIDIA is going to be breaking it. So as of right now, yeah, I'd say short it. I'd say short NVIDIA back to at least like 148, which is this uptrend right here that you have. And this actually started since, you did bounce out. That's the thing though. It's funky because of the news, because you have news right now, but short-term TA, definitely says short NVIDIA today down to possibly like 148 or so. But again, this whole range, I think I'd probably look at longs depending on CPI. I'd probably just wait till Thursday, to be honest. Like TA looks like it's gonna come back down. If you're not a day trader, if you don't want to do some weird like trades, I say don't even trade. What's the point? Just wait till Thursday. Wait till after Thursday. Wait for CPI to come out. If CPI comes out good, buy the fuck out of everything. If CPI comes out bad, short the fuck out of everything. It's extremely simple, right? So as of right now, I say just if you want to play this, short this down to like 148, right? NVIDIA, and then I think I got another one for. I don't know. I have no idea what that is. I think there was another one for Apple. Again, Apple, you did break that range up here. So there's a couple of things that can actually happen with Apple. And Apple doesn't really like to follow the market too much. You can actually come back down to 129 and then push back up here. So like 136 as a retest. Or you can actually come all the way back down to 124. You didn't actually close any triggers on the 4-hour, but if the SPX starts moving down, you're going to start actually moving down on Apple, and the Nasdaq should be pretty good. See, 8-hour, yeah, in an hour, yeah. I'd say that's gonna happen. I'm pretty sure the big tech is gonna come all the way back down because you're still for the Nasdaq, you're still trading on range, very easy range here. See that, right? Very easy range. Right, super hard wick, didn't break anything, right? It does look like you're gonna come right back down to possibly like 10.7 on the Nasdaq. So that's what kind of a drop is that? Like a 2% drop? Yeah, wouldn't be surprised if you see like a 2% drop in all big tech in the next, couple days, in like today, tomorrow, like before Thursday, right? It just looks that way. I would take these shorts and just kind of hold them till Thursday, and then Thursday I'd be out, and then just wait for CPI news. But yeah, overall, things look pretty bearish. If anything, things are gonna start to get bearish right now. Like we already came down right from yesterday. We already sold off from 395 to 387. You sold off almost 390. Yeah, you sold off almost $10 in a single day, which is actually which is pretty bearish, right? You have this whole thing became a wick, right? So yeah, we're gonna be closing the 16-hour in an hour also. So yeah, I definitely look at shorting all this at least back down to like 384 before you see a bounce. But I think 380, let me see, what is this? Oh, 35. So I think 385, 385, 380 is probably your range today. I think this whole area right here is going to be like your range. So I'm probably going to be shorting until here all day. And then I'm going to go back into longs here if we can manage to come all the way back down today here. And then long this to CPI. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.